Welcome, everyone, to another episode of AIME's Grow and Get It. I'm Tom Allis, president of growth here with AIME. Today, I get the honor and privilege to meet somebody that I have not got to have a good conversation with yet. So I'm excited. We're going to do it today live on Facebook. Meet Mr. Dante Royster, broker owner of Epic Mortgage, based out of Illinois. He's going to share with us today some really good things because I'm excited about this. I saw the content briefing, and it's something that I've even thought about doing. And I've seen other originators do it. And it's something that's highly impactful, build your credibility in your market. And Dante's going to share that with us today. So he came out with a book, right? We talk about originators writing books or coming out with books really to help educate those around you, spread the knowledge that you have. In Dante's book, The Ultimate Mortgage Guide, How to Secure the Best Mortgage, Not Just the Best Rate. So to me, the title has me sold. I'm buying it as soon as we get off of this. Dante, first of all, where do I find it? Is it on Amazon?
It's on Amazon. Yep,
Yes.
Amazon.com.
Everything's on Amazon. Luckily, the only thing that isn't on Amazon right now is mortgages. And I could be
True.
wrong. Maybe they have them, but we're going to stick to local independent mortgage brokers for that. So, Dante, thank you for being here. Just because maybe some of our members don't know you that well, give me a little background on you. You're obviously you're in Illinois. How long have you been in the business? And
Sure.
what channel did you come from, or did you start straight broker?
Gotcha. Yeah. So June 24th, 2002, I got into the business. Started as a direct lender for Town and Country Credit, subsidiary of Ameriquest Mortgage. Uh,
Yes.
yeah. So I started my roots in that subprime world, and then I became an account executive for Novastar. So I was doing some all day action. Getting
Novastar.
ready.
That was my first place I ever worked.
Yeah, it's a
Nobody
great
knows
place.
that name. Love
Yeah.
that company.
Yeah, definitely bringing it back. So I went there, and then really after that, after kind of shaky grounds in '07, '08, I kind of decided to just become a mortgage broker to really build my own business. I got the pleasure as being an account executive, just really seeing mortgage brokers already that really made a career of it, and so I just saw the opportunity that I could do the same. And obviously, just with my knowledge base and just stuff that I knew I could definitely help. And I've been a broker ever since, and just started Epic Mortgage 4 years ago, right around 2019, and
Yes.
we're rocking and rolling.
Yeah, beautiful. Well, that's awesome. Proud to have you part of our community here. I hope you know if there's ever anything we can help you with, please reach out. But I'm excited to talk about the topic today. And it's really, it boils down to one question. Why write a book? Why write and publish a book?
Yeah, 21 years. I mean, 21 years of experience, just knowledge of helping people, close deals, whether purchase or refinance. There's a lot of questions that I get all the time. And so I just wanted to kind of diffuse some of the myths that were out there, wanted to kind of educate my consumer and let people know that, I'm out here. So, I mean, credibility is key.
It definitely is. So if we dive in a little bit on that, how does one go about even doing this? Like if I wanted to just get a script and I would say, I call Dante, hey, Dante, how did you do this? What are the steps for somebody that is looking to share the knowledge that they have in creating and publishing a book?
Yeah, I think the first step is, just what do you want to write about, and really just trying to, create chapters. Start off with chapters of just what do you want to talk about, and then really instead of watching Netflix at night, you sit down and you bang it out. You just start typing and writing, and then over time, 6 months later, you have yourself a book, and then you take it from there.
Man, that's awesome. I'm really excited to hear that you not only executed off of it, couple cool things, man. Nobody ever talks about Novastar. I haven't heard one other broker in my life. That's where I started. That's where I cut my teeth.
There you
Cool
go.
company. So you published a book. How has that helped you? I mean, has it? Has it been something that's been influential for your success, for your career as a broker owner?
Well, the book just launched October 24th of this year, so it's
Wow.
still infinite stages, but definitely has given me the opportunity to, at least to share, hey, I wrote a book. I've had some new conversations as well as some old conversations, just re-engaging with my database, letting them know what I've done, and I'm just looking out for everyone's support.
Man, that's awesome. So obviously, you're building a community. You already have a community of people that you've been serving for 20 plus years. You and I, it's crazy because I think we got in at the exact same date. Like when you said that day in, you said Nova Star. I'm starting to wonder. Right, you're reading my story. I just haven't written the book yet, but it's a wicked smart idea. Now, from a publishing aspect, right? I understand
Sure.
sitting at a computer writing the information. If a loan officer, if a mortgage broker said, you know what, I could do this. It's something I should do. Get a little bit granular with me. Like, how do they actually, besides just writing it, you had to find a publisher, right?
Sure.
Um, how do you find somebody like that? What are the steps?
I mean, you can, I mean, really, Google can tell you everything, or LinkedIn, if you have some connections, or reach out to your database. Maybe they know of somebody. You can nowadays you can self-help, basically self-publish yourself, or you could work with a publisher. I did work with a publisher that really tried to, guided me from editing, from design work. Really, I was kind of hands off once it got to that stage, and that was a great thing for me.
Yeah, that's awesome. And I hope you don't mind. And you can just say pass if some of my questions are too invasive. But
No, it's all
I'm
good.
curious.
It's all good.
Like, to me, even whenever AIM replaces me, I'm still going to watch these episodes. I hope whoever
Sure.
does it is as handsome as I am, but we're still going to, maybe they'll have a little more hair, but that's how it goes.
I'm with you on
What is
that.
the cost of something like this, Dante? Give me an idea. Like, if I wanted to, okay, hey, I wrote information on the blueprint for mortgage brokers, and
Sure.
I wrote all the information. I want to hire a publisher. I don't like doing the self help aspect. I
Sure.
think do what you do best. Delegate the rest is something that I
Sure.
have always lived by. Um, what does something like that cost?
Yeah, I mean, it really ranges. I mean, if you're going to self-publish yourself, I mean, it could be as small as $500. And then, if you're going to, remember a true publisher, I mean, they can pay for if they like your manuscript, they can pay for a lot of the groundwork. So it's not really out of your pocket if you have a strong manuscript, something that they feel that they can market and obviously sell out there. So it really depends. But I mean, I would say it could be as small as $500 investment, or it could be $20,000. It just really depends on how much work and help you need the publisher to do for you.
That makes sense. So attainable and something that lives on. It's the gift that keeps on giving. It's a book that you can obviously give to your clients. It helps you look more established in your market. It puts you as somebody that right away, if you tell me you wrote a book, I'm like, wow, this dude's smart, right? You got something. You actually took the time enough to study, prepare sentences in a way that readers can adjust to. Um, Wicked intelligent. All right, last
Thank you.
question for you. If I was to read your book, or somebody did read your book, what is the biggest takeaway? What were you trying to share? What was the message that you wanted readers to understand with your book?
I wanted them to know that ultimately a mortgage broker is great, is a very valuable person, because of our flexibility that we can provide, the resources that we have, the products and programs that we offer. I wanted them to know that obviously, me writing the book and me explaining all these things, that you have a partner in crime, someone that's going to be there for you. It was really predicated for first-time home buyers, really just trying to educate them. A lot of the questions that I kind of talk about it throughout the book is really designed to answer some of those existing questions that they have, so then they don't feel so intimidated with the process, and that they're ready to engage.
Love it. I love it. I mean, that's clear, well understood. I will tell you, I don't know if do you get to see every time somebody orders a book, is it like ping you, like, hey, you just made a couple bucks? How's it work?
Yeah, I mean, I get monthly charged and stuff like that, but I don't really look at it on a day-to-day basis, but I'm just trying to get the message out there as best I can.
Good. Well, I love it. And I will tell you, I'm a man of action. I don't just talk about things, I do it. You're going to see a purchase from me today because I think it's awesome what you did. We need more people like you in our business that share why brokers are better, that are brave enough to stand up and even get on video like you've done. Being somebody, like I said, you and I haven't got a chance to meet each other yet. I really look forward to shaking your hand in person.
We
Thank
will.
you, Dante. Thank you for being here. Thank you for those tuning in for another episode of Ames Grow and Get It. We're here every Monday, noon Eastern, in our Brokers Are Better Facebook group. Or you want some other great ideas? Check out our YouTube page at AIM National. Tons of information, tons of quick tips that are going to help you get into 2024 and go out and grow and get it. Dante, be well, my friend. I appreciate you. I hope you have a blessed holiday season. And if I can ever help you, please don't hesitate to reach out.
Appreciate you. Thank you.